Providers Versio's 100-watt USB-C charger for your smartphones, iPhones, 16, 15, and later laptops, and more. We're going to unbox this and show you what you get inside. As we unbox, we have ourselves 110-volt cable. Wrapped up is the USB charging port, 2 USB-As, and 4 PD20s. And a small pamphlet to go over of instructions how to use. Plug your 110-volt VAC into the power and the unit. With the power turned on, the unit is ready to be used. With 9 volts, 3 amps fast charging, we plug into one of the power ports, USB-C to C. And we charge up to 100%. Charging for smartphones, USB-C to Lightning iPhone. Emergency radios that need to be charged. And USB-A to C flashlights that need to be charged as well. Microphones. Charging in the back indicator with the blue light. We have 2 more ports that we could charge. And dedicated Apple laptops charging. Small, compact, size of a hand with 6 ports, 4 PD20s, 2 USB-As, 110 VAC. Your portable charging station for your charging needs. I hope you enjoy this product if this is something that you are looking for. Thank you for viewing.